Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your payment with Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your payment with Shopify, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Orders section on the left-hand menu. Locate the specific order you wish to verify. Click on the order to open its details. Scroll down to the Payments section of the Order Details page. Check the payment status displayed here. If the payment shows as paid, it has been successfully processed. For further details, click on the payment transaction link if available. This will redirect you to the payment gateway for a more detailed view. If needed, check your email for any payment confirmation messages from Shopify. You can also verify the payment through your bank statement. Make sure the amount matches the total shown in the Shopify order. If you encounter any discrepancies, contact Shopify support for assistance. For refunds or adjustments, go back to the Order Details page. Click on the Refund button to initiate the process if required. Follow the prompts to complete the refund process. Once finished, the payment verification status will be updated. Ensure you keep records of all transactions for future reference. That concludes the steps to verify your payment with Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.